Just on the coast. These are the latest pictures of our beaches from Sky 12. Concerns still mounting tonight about that massive oil slick that could head our way. The potential impact of a black tide almost impossible to fathom. But one local company says it may have a seemingly miraculous way to stop the slick cold. CBS 12's Eric Roby has a demonstration from West Palm Beach. Eric?
Well, Kurt, I'm talking with some representatives from Carpenter Stone. They are used to working with cement products, but they think that they have come up with a pretty good solution to try and clean up the Gulf by actually removing the oil out of the water. With us today is Greg Finnick, co-developer of the product, which you are calling EARTHBOND. It's a new product. Let's get right to the demonstration here, and then we can ask you a couple questions. We're actually going to be pouring in some reclaimed oil into water, which we just put into this pool. This is actually salt water from the Intracoastal, and this powder here is actually the EARTHBOND, which is the product which is going to coat the water and actually soak up the oil. So Greg, explain to us in layman's term how this is working.
Well, what's happening is this is actually a hydrophobic material. It does two unique things. It hates water and it loves oil. So what's going to happen is as the oil gets near this material, the oil will be soaked up into this material, the water will be rejected away from it, and it will not allow the water to capture into the oil. The material will capture it, and then you can recover it.
And what's very interesting here is I'll put my hand in it, and I put it in, I'm putting in the water, and I pull it out. It's completely dry, and that's when you're saying that it's water-phobic, meaning that it doesn't like the water, pushes it away. And in this short amount of time, you can already see that it is picking up the oil. That's actually the oil there. I squeeze it in my hand, and there you can just scoop it up. Now, one of the questions that obviously you would have is you're putting a new chemical or a new product into the water. Are you going to create another environmental problem?
Yeah, it's a good question, but it is actually good for the environment. It actually helps plant life. It's all organic, all God-made. There's nothing synthetic, nothing, no chemicals, totally no VOCs, and environmentally friendly.
Now the tough part, this is a new product. You've been trying to get a hold of BP. You've been talking to them, been trying to talk to the governors of the states that have been affected. What's been the response so far?
Well, I mean, it's been slow by our standards. Obviously, we're a little frustrated, but you know, folks like you hopefully are going to help us get to the right people, and we'll be able to try to cut through some of the red tape. The problem, Eric, is just getting through all of the different type of testings that normally you have with any type of oil-based products. We just don't have time.
And what did BP tell you today?
Basically, we haven't actually been able to talk directly with them, other than the fact that we did just recently get an email 10 minutes ago from BP saying that they are interested in talking to us.
All right. Well, we wish you luck, because this definitely looks like a product that could be an easy solution. As you can see here, literally scooping it up. And I should also point out that Governor Chris is going to be about a half mile from our location tonight at the Breakers for a fundraiser over there. So if he's interested, he can always give you a call, right?
We're right here. We'll leave the pool here for him.
All right. So that pretty much is our demonstration. And once again, BP saying that they are getting a lot of different people calling them with solutions. In fact, Greg was telling me that they were getting between 10,000 solutions in just a 2-hour period today. So it's pretty much finding a needle in a haystack for them. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, Eric Roby, CBS 12 News.
All right, thanks, Eric. The big question